A very good morning from London. Welcome to the European Morning Call for all our Talking Forex listeners. The European session so far being dominated by one story, the FT reporting last night that Italy and China have been meeting with a potential view to China buying Italian bonds and investing in Italian companies. This morning we have seen the euro being bid on the back of that, touching the 137 level to the upside. However, as market participants have digested the comments, they have noticed that there have been very little in terms of comments from the Chinese side. Some source comments on Reuters saying that the Italian officials have been meeting with the Chinese Sovereign Wealth Fund, particularly the head of investment and fixed income. However, still no actual comments coming out of China regarding this, just some generic comments from a foreign ministry spokesman saying that they hope the European markets will respect Chinese investments and that they are working with their European partners. It's also worth of note, a month ago there was comments from the Italian finance minister directly saying that when he went to Asia to look for investment, Asian investment funds were telling him that they were reluctant to invest, seeing as though the ECB themselves have not been buying Italian bonds on the secondary markets, which have somehow been defunct with the latest purchases by the ECB's S-Securities market programme. However, as again, the lack of any Chinese comments is weighing on the euro in the current trade, coming back to low the 136.00 level, and that has affected the currency markets across the board. The dollar index moving back into positive territory on the back of that, amid some increased risk aversion there. Just looking elsewhere, overnight we saw the release of the Australian business confidence numbers coming in lower than expected. However, the Aussie has been buoyed by an early S&P report on the wires this morning saying that the Australian economic recovery is still on track. Aussie dollar still trading around flat and unchanged. In terms of the rest of the calendar then, for today, the focus will of course be on the UK CPI and RPI numbers, which is out at 9:30 London time. And coincidentally, Italy is coming to the market in terms of bond issuance today, looking to raise between 5 to 7 billion euros of BTPs in its bond auctions, which will be closely watched for the European session. No coincidence, however, these Chinese stories are breaking then as Italy comes back to the debt markets. But that's enough from me. Have yourselves a great trading day.